We are training, sometimes people laugh. What is this nonsense? They criticize. The leaders of the society do not encourage. Yesterday I was talking with one priest about illicit sex life. He said that what is wrong there? It is a great pleasure. We are training, we are advocating the illicit sex is sinful. Our first condition is that one must give up these four things: illicit sex, meat eating, intoxication, and gambling. This is my first condition before accepting. So they agree and they follow.
That's what our people will do. That's what our clients will do.
Yes, they will do. If regular institution runs on with all facilities, we get so many devotees come here. After some time they become dedicated devotees. The method must be there. That was another brother.
Hippie Khan.
Yeah, he was there.
You came there.
I went there. The proprietor, the organizer, he took me there. So I think if we are serious, let us combinedly open an institution where people should be trained up how to become first class. Children should be trained up. That will make a solution.
You must change societies then.
Huh?
You have
No,
to
no change. Let society what it is. We train up some children, as we are doing in Dallas, and some men also, just like we have trained them. It is possible. It is a practical example. Well, priests should be ideal character, and they are advocating homosex. Now, where is ideal character man? If the priestly class, they are going to hospital for drinking heavy and they are allowing man-to-man marriage and homosex, then where is ideal character?
But homosexuality is a sickness in our day.
Huh?
It's an illness.
It's an illness. It's just like a person who can't see, you would punish him for not seeing. You can't punish a person for being homosexual. That our society says so.
Anyway, the priestly class sanctioning homosex.
Fine.
Sanctioning, they are allowing homosex.
Yeah, well, we say
And there was report that man and man was married by the priest. In New York there is a paper, Watchtower. That is a Christian paper. I have seen in that paper. They condemn me. The priest is allowing man-to-man marriage. And they are passing resolution. Homosexual is passed online. And in Perth, you said that the students are discussing about homosex, in favor of homosex. So where is the ideal character? Well, if you want something, tangible business, train some people to become ideal character. That is this Krishna consciousness.
What you say, people say what ideal to you is not ideal to somebody.
I am giving the example, ideal character.
Yeah, but it's one opinion.
No, opinion, it will not depend on opinion. Opinion, what is the value of opinion if the people are all asses? There is no opinion. One should take as it is enjoined in the Shastra. No opinion.
And what if the Brahman starts to rule the world in their own interest?
He says, what if the Brahmanas start to rule the world for their vested interest?
No.
Like
You
the
are-
capitalists or somebody else might.
No. That is not vested. It is not vested. It is a character. Just like Sama, what is it? Peaceful.
They might form a class of their own and have their own interest and try to rule the world according to
No,
suits and best.
because they are honest. That is the one of the things. They will not do that.
They must go according to the book.
Yeah.
They interpret the book.
Honest means he is not for his own interest, for everyone's interest. That is honest.
Now what if he's misguided?
Huh?
What's the world changes since that book was
No,
written?
simply because they do not follow. Just like in India, this is the character of the Brahmana. That later on, gradually, the culture was lost since the last 1,000 years because India was subjugated by foreigners. The Mohammedans, they introduced some of their culture. Then the Britishers came. Everyone wants an interest. The Britishers, when British rule came, their Lord Macaulay's private report was that if you want to keep them as Indian Hindu, you will never be able to rule over. So it was British government's policy to condemn everything Indian.
How would you react if somebody breaks into this place and tries to rob some of the...
He says, how would we react if someone breaks in and tries to rob the building?
Rob?
A thief. What would we do if a thief came in? In other words, would we be
Take him
violent?
in, you shall punish him.
You shall be violent?
Why not? The thief should be punished.
You would punish yourself? What would you do? I mean, would you start attacking him?
No, ourselves or
Right.
anyone, a thief is to be punished. A thief has to be punished. Ourselves or yourself, it doesn't matter. A thief is thief. He should be punished.
And what if he breaks in because he's hungry?
Who begs?
He says, what if he breaks in because he's hungry? What if he becomes in as a thief because he wants some
Then
food?
we said everyone come and eat. Why he should remain hungry? We invite everyone, come here, eat. No charge. We don't charge. So why should remain hungry? Let us increase this program. All hungry men of Melbourne city, come here, you take your eating, sumptuous. We invite, come on. Why you should remain hungry?
What if he's an alcoholic and he's hungry?
Huh?
We have a couple of alcoholics that come here and we give them food every night.
You do.
Yes.
Just like the Gordon House.
Yes, they come, we feed them, like we have a
Yeah.
feast every Sunday, they come, we give them food.
It
They
requires
like
little time to practice. Otherwise, it is open for everyone. It is above politics.
But
It is above politics.
from your point of view, but will the department depend on political
Yes.
decisions?
The department means another setup.
Yes, it's just an instrument, yes, a public will. The minister is elected according to public will in our society.
Because they have made a department just like you do. What is the department?
Social welfare.
Social welfare. So if they find social welfare, why not help? Why they bring politics? If actually there is social welfare here, why they should not support it?
Yeah, well, you're right. But in our society, minister is elected to carry out certain policies. Not what he wants, but what the people sort of voted for. And they are taxed to support.
And if your policy is social reformation,
Social reform is not our policy.
the social welfare,
So just to look after those who are in trouble. That's our
So
policy.
everyone is in trouble.
Right?
At the present moment, even the ministers are in trouble.
Yes, but that is not what our function is. Everybody's in trouble.
Physician, heal thyself. You see? They are also drunkards, they are also woman hunters, and meat eaters, and gambling, that's all. They require to be rectified.
But we can't help that. That's society. You have to go and change society. Then society tells us to act
But
differently.
unless you change the society, how you can make social welfare?
Well, it's a
If you
different
keep them as it is, there is a question of welfare.
give it a different interpretation to the word.
How this, I
Does
don't...
you understand me?
Basically, one must be first class, ideal man.
Yeah.
That is one.
That's why it's so very difficult. You have to work on your own, and you have to see that you have freedom
find
to
out-
work.
you
And if you
find out-
convince enough people
No.
to go your way.
Our own program, it is not box properly. You find out fault with us.
Right?
You find out what is our fault.
I
Then
can't
you
see
can-
any fault.
Then you can disagree. But when you see everything is nice, how you will not accept it? Unless you are biased.
Of course I'm biased. I've been brought up differently.
Yes. That's like our...
But as you're biased against my life.
No, we are not biased. We
You say I'm
that just
saying.
like we are not biased, we are allowing.
Depending on
We
what
say
you
that if you want to be first class man, then you must not commit sinful activities. That is our problem.
But I as a public servant, I'm not here to change society.
But
Society
we are also
tells me
public.
what to do.
We belong to the public. You must become our servant also.
Right?
We are public, members of the public.
Yeah.
So you should become our servant also. If you are public servant.
A public servant is in our philosophy is a man who serves a minister elected by the people. It's this way he serves the public.
Yeah.
And what the public decides, it
Therefore,
votes accordingly.
we are informing the public.
Yes, that's what I mean. I might agree with you that if all of us would be Krishna,
Not all.
Huh?
Not,
then we would be, then social welfare would mean something different.
Just like we are proposing here. I am not proposing. Krishna says that one must be peaceful. How to become peaceful? If his mind is always disturbed, how he can become
You're
peaceful?
quite right.
So that is the secret of success. You want to make people peaceful, but you do not know how to make him peaceful.
Yeah.
So therefore you have to adopt this.
You have a competitive society.
We say that you chant Hare Krishna, eat here sumptuously, live here comfortably, and you become peaceful. It is guaranteed. If anyone, even a madman, agrees to this principle, that let him chant Hare Krishna mantra, take whatever nice food stuff we prepare, take, and live peacefully. He will be peaceful.
What's your answer that still such a small percentage of the population, tiny percentage of the population,
No.
accept the philosophy that sounds so
Tiny percentage, just like there are so many stars in the sky,
Yeah.
and there is one moon. In percentage, the moon is nothing. If you take percentage of the stars, the moon is nothing. But moon is important than all the nonsense stars. But if you take percentage, there is no percentage both. But because he is moon, he is important than all these rascal stars. This is the example.
Yeah, well,
What is the use of taking percentage of the stars in the presence of moon? Let there be one moon, that is sufficient. There is no question of percentage. One ideal man. Just like in Christian world, one ideal Jesus Christ.
how do you feel about Mao Zedong?
Huh? What is
He
that?
says, how do you feel about Mao Zedong?
In China, he's the ideal man.
He's a communist.
His ideal is all right.
In China, he is.
His ideal, communist idea, that everyone should be happy. That is good idea. But they do not know how to make it. Just like they are taking care of the human being in this state, but they are sending poor animals to this letter. Because they are godless. They do not know the animal is also a living being and the human being also a living being. So for the satisfaction of the tongue of the human being, the animal should be cut through. That is the defect. Tajjadachariti shrestha tattadeva itarekam. If the leaders of the society become compassionate with this movement, otherwise automatically, our leaders, our minister is supporting this.
Our minister regards himself as a servant of the people who can be kicked out in
That is the defect. The people are rascals and they have elected another rascal. That is the defect.
Well, but that's how it is.
So what can we do? Then hopeless.
Oh, you can work on the
So
class.
we are going without depending on these rascals. We are going on. We are publishing our books, we are making our movement, we honestly try, that's all.
Yeah.
That we are doing, all over the world.
All they can do is allow you to convince the population differently.
Yes, we are doing.
And when you do that, then the social welfare
That
department will serve
differently,
you.
not supposed to be instruct
Right?
a man, please do not have illicit sex. Have you got any objection?
Right?
If I advise
Yes.
somebody that do not have illicit sex,
Yeah.
have you got any objection?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah,
Yeah.
illicit. If I say,
I like sex, and my wife likes sex.
huh?
We just enjoy it, they couldn't live without it. Our marriage is happier because they have sex.
That's it. This is the position.
Well, if all our life was enjoying sex and our marriage is happier with sex.
No, we don't prohibit sex, but we
We
prohibit
don't have 2 children.
illicit,
Something.
illicit sex.
Well, it's you use a pill, or use contraceptives, or use all kinds of things. Because it makes our...
Why do you use contraceptive?
Because we don't want any more children.
Then why don't you stop sex?
Because we like sex.
Yes.
Because we enjoy it.
That means go to physician, I want to do everything I like, still I want treatment. This is the position. You want...
I didn't come for treatment.
No, I say...
You asked me about my opinion.
you have come for treatment here.
I was invited
Because
to
you have failed to
What?
control the society, your activities, therefore you have come here, treatment. But when I prescribe medicine, you don't accept.
I haven't come for treatment. I'm
No,
sorry.
yes. Otherwise, why you
I was
have come?
invited.
Just to help you in your social activities, social welfare activities, to take some suggestion from us. But when you give the suggestion, you reject it. That is your point.